Welcome back to another episode of Tips and Tricks. My name's Colton Bradley. I'm the corporate product trainer for Karl Auto Group. This series gives you insight on options, features, and technology available on the new vehicles at our dealerships. On today's episode of Tips and Tricks, we're going to be talking about the multi-flex tailgate and the 6 different options that it has for you to use on your Silverado 1500. First is going to be your primary gate, which is just like any normal truck tailgate. Second will be the load stop, which will extend out the bed of your truck. Third will be the workspace, which will provide you an elevated space to work from. Fourth will be your elevated load stop. Fifth will be your easy access to grab items in the bed of the pickup. And sixth will be your step to help assist you into the bed of the truck. Thanks for tuning into this week's episode of Tips and Tricks. If you have any questions on how to use your multi-flex or multi-pro liftgate, please feel free to stop on into one of our Karl Auto Group locations.